Starbucks, my local coffee shop. So today we're going to be talking about coffee. Is it good or is it bad for you? Now, coffee is the world's most socially accepted psychoactive drug. However, it is extremely toxic. Now, acrylamide forms during the coffee roasting process. And when one ingests acrylamide from coffee in the liver, it is converted into glycinamide, which is a very potent carcinogen that causes DNA damage. So acrylamide is what forms when a carbohydrate and a fat come together under very high temperatures. This is what gives that French fries that crispy crunch. However, it is the acrylamide that has been shown to cause cellular and organ damage. So acrylamide has been linked to neurological damage such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. There is a warning sticker behind every coffee shop that warns of the side effects of the coffee has side effects. It is at the front of every line. It says warning chemical exposure. And this is true. The acrylamide is in the coffee, and the acrylamide is linked to many cancers. It is linked to brain cancer, premenopausal breast cancer, uterine cancer, and pancreatic cancer. In animal rat studies, acrylamide has been shown to cause infertility, birth defects, and it's going to affect the growth of offspring. So there are many other effects. It causes liver and kidney damage, and it can cause GI upset. It increases your blood pressure, and it decreases the elasticity of your blood vessels. So acrylamide it formed during the coffee roasting process. Now, the caffeine blocks your adenosine receptor. Now, this is your sleep receptor. It is what helps you unwind at night. So what will happen is you'll have all this energy, and boom, you have this rebound effect. And so many people have a daily relationship with this caffeine. It is an addiction. What happens is some not only stop at the one addiction, but it leads to 2 or 3 other addictions. You get amped up on coffee, you have nervous attacks, and then you get insomnia at the end of the day. And what many people sadly do is they also reach for alcohol to unwind or go to sleep. And they might even reach for a sleep as well. So the costs are anxiety, insomnia, ADHD, anxiety attacks, poor social interaction. However, it is the most socially acceptable drug. How can that be? If Starbucks is on every corner, if there's a coffee shop, you can't drive more than 5 minutes without finding a coffee shop. However, the truth really hasn't been told. So I suffered from a caffeine addiction for many years. When I was in college, I would wake up every day, I'd have my cappuccino, I'd be in line doing this, but yet I would go and I'd have this dark cloud that would just follow me all day long, and I couldn't figure out why. I'd be nervous and anxious because I'd have 1 to 2 cappuccinos, and later I'd have another one. And then I'd have insomnia, at the end of the day. And I never linked it at the time to be the coffee because it's a socially acceptable thing to do. But then I had an awakening, and I realized that the truth, the increased risk of cancer, the lower fertility, the other effects that this substance has on our body, in addition to the mental decline. So, and another thing, I wonder, Steve Jobs, who was this libertarian, how did he end up getting sick with pancreatic cancer? I question that. I thought this doesn't make sense. However, he admits to being an avid coffee drinker. He drank 4 to 7 cups a day, and he never gave up his caffeine addiction. So it wasn't his diet. His diet was beautiful. He was a vegetarian. It was the coffee. So after many years of just not giving it up, even though you're eating healthy, the coffee is going to offset all of those, the majority of those benefits. So what are the benefits of quitting? You get love, success, friendship, and better performance wherever you go. Anyway, I hope you learned something from this video. And is coffee good or is it bad? You tell me. Okay, we'll see you on the next video. Bye.